Alright, so like I said, I was going to take some clear sealant. I was going to run along to make sure that every part was sealed. And I don't know if this is like this for any of the other taillights, but you see that screw there, and then that screw, and then that screw down over here. They come off, so you can take this plastic piece off. And I went ahead and did that, and I was able to get back here where this kind of covers. But yeah, I did the bottom side too. You can see right there. Alright, you can't see anymore. But yeah. So I sealed them. Hopefully this works out great. But only time will tell.